Yo, what good with it, man? It's your boy, and I'm back with another shoe video, you know what I'm saying? Today I'm finna show y'all how I lace my Jordan 11s. Today I got the Cherry 11s, the retros. You know what I'm saying? This the box. You know what I'm saying? I got size 14 in these shoes. Feel me? It come in nice, you know what I'm saying? Black plastic. Then inside they got the shoe wrapped up. It's nice. Nice. You know what I'm saying? Shoes come in wrapped up, protected. You know what I'm saying? So they won't get dirty. Man, this is nice, boy.
Your brother's weird.
Got that nice, that new shoe smell. They love that new shoe smell. You know what I'm saying? Let me get a quick little breakdown. I love the color red, so that's why I got this Chucky jacket. I actually wore this jacket with these shoes when I tried them on. You know what I'm saying? You can tell they got little pebbles at the bottom, so I already tried these on. They're a perfect fit, you know what I'm saying? But let me go to the detail. The red in person ain't as bright as it is online, but that's with a lot of shoes. The shoes be brighter online instead of in person. I don't know what that be about. But the red sexy as hell. The red sticks out. It stands out. You know what I'm saying? Not too bright, not too dark. You know what I'm saying? Then on the back of the shoes, I love the 11's got the 2-3 design stitched in on the back where the heel be at. You know what I'm saying? The soles, smooth, comfortable, deep. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong with a pair of 11's. You can't go wrong with a pair of 11's. You cannot. I love every pair of 11's. They got this, especially the coating on it. I don't like the leather ones and shit. The leather ones ass, but these in the cool grays, my top two favorite pairs of 11's, the cool grays and the cherry 11's. I also like the black and white ones, but there's so many black and white ones, you know what I'm saying? They come out with different names, so I like the black and white ones too. But the lacing, I love the thick laces on here. You know what I'm saying? Thick tone, you feel me? Just like on the other pair. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, these nice though, man. If you ever think about copping the Cherry 11, bro, you need to cop them when you can. Especially when they come around each year, when they resell the retros, you need to go get them. Good cop, worth every penny. And then it's a detail inside. It's a detail inside these. Y'all can see it. I don't think y'all can see it for real. But if y'all can't read what it says quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever, which is MJ. Man, shit, depending on whoever you think the GOAT of basketball is, or whoever you rocking with. But yo though, man, till I ain't, feel me, I still got the cardboard inside these, man. I love these shoes. But without further ado, man, we finna go ahead and get straight into the video, show y'all how I lace these ones. Let's go.
Yeah.
Trevor, how you made this?
Yeah. I've been standing down, trying to get in there. For a bag, but I need to hit the road with two. Yeah. Hey, I've been standing down all month, trying to get it in. 1K for a bag, but I need 12 to hit the road with two. I might hit my knee, pray to the Lord, but I'ma sin again. Spin up in, sending threats at me, I'm trying to split you with. Get money on the wake up. Broke as hell, but get your paper. I pee shit, I just paid on. Go through shit and won't even say nothing. Beat up a fade like Avon. I'm number one like Tavon. You know I'm the one like Tavon Austin. Hey, bring that swagger back, they thought I lost it. I got Tennessee, but for the all that shit gon' cost you. Did lawyer from the start, told your people I had crossed you. Play with me out office, send your bitch out to the doctor. Might not even get to see the dog. Hey, I started shit and watch how all them little niggas gon'.
And that concludes the end of the video, man. You know what I'm saying? I love these pair of shoes, you know what I'm saying? These are complete cop, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even get taxed these. I ain't even get taxed for real with these more, you know what I'm saying? I got plugged in with these. I spent like $160 or $170 on these shoes. And these, I'm talking about when they first, I'm talking about Fred came out with the redrop, you know what I'm saying? But I love the shoes, you know what I'm saying? Then I like the detail, how I lace the shoes, you know what I'm saying? You know, cause these are thick laces, you know what I'm saying? They hang, so the way I got them tucked, you know what I'm saying? They tucked on the side of the shoe. I like that design, you feel me? Shoe, my pants leg gonna cover them if I wear some stack jeans, or if I wear some slim denim jeans, you know what I'm saying? It'll at least cover up, so half the, you know what I'm saying, half the tone, so you'll see a little bit of the lace, so I can just tuck this in my pants leg. I'll tuck it under the lace or whatever the case may be with it, whatever pants or whatever fit I want to wear with them. But other than that, man, y'all highly recommend getting these retro cherry 11s, you know what I'm saying? Perfect cop, they're comfortable, true to size, great detailing, great designs, red stand out. If you love red or your favorite color red, you know what I'm saying? Perfect shoes to get. Then the crisp white set it off, you know what I'm saying? White set anything off, but the white and red combo go crazy, you know what I'm saying? Especially when you put that shit on, you feel me? But I hope y'all like the video, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Comment down below what other shoes y'all want me to lace. If y'all like, y'all want me to try another design on these. Well, I said design. Well, another way to lace these or whatnot, whatever the case may be, man. But other than that, man, on to the next video. We out, man. Appreciate the love. You.